Hey, welcome back, everyone. I want to talk about 3 trades for which I just did. I want to break them down and kind of give you some insight as to why I selected these. So we're going to start out with GGLL. This is the 2X Levers ETF to Google. I want you to stick around because we're going to talk about Irene, a recent in-the-money covered call I did with Irene, giving myself 12% in downside protection. And then we're going to talk about DPST. Would love to talk about LABU, for which I got involved yesterday when it was trading at 182. I think right now it's trading for 160. We went ahead and did that in the money, 173. And I said in the write-up, it could easily find itself right around 160. That's what it does. It's the most manipulated fund I've ever seen. And sure enough, it's acting just like LABU acts. But we're going to talk about DPST instead because I do have a couple in the money covered calls with that, and they're going to expire this Friday in the money. And we're going to talk about why I picked those strike prices. But let's start with GGLL in this email. The reason I picked 117 is because of the gap fill. We talk about the gap fill all the time. This market exploded so high, we have these incredible gaps. And Wall Street likes to come back and fill those gaps. So I'm going to show you this chart and look at the gap that it needed to fill. And sure enough, it has filled that gap. That's last night when it was trading at 128. I'm going to show you the chart right now where it's trading. And as we bring it in, this is GGLL. What I want you to notice is the gap fill. Remember here, I talked about the gap fill that will probably happen. Let's take a look at the actual gap fill. And sure enough, when we scroll in, you can see this morning it touches what is the gap fill. Now, at this point, it's rallying higher. You could have got in at 117 if you were up at 6:30 this morning, California time, trading this market. And if you read that email and said, you know, John's going to get involved at 117, you'd have been up right now almost 6 points. Tell you what, we can't get that lucky all the time. In fact, I find myself at my desk much later, and I'm going to show you that trade. But let's talk about why I thought this was going to be a great trade. You know, we talk about the incredible spike up that Google had, and earnings really propelled it higher. It has fallen back. GGLL was trading at $156. It's already pulled back to 123. Early this morning, 117. You have to be able to identify on the chart these incredible gap fills that are going to happen. This is what I'm talking about. Gaps that have no clear support, and it continues to go higher. And when it starts to come back, there's all these people here that have all these profits. And then that gap fill actually has 3 days of resistance. It's trying to break that resistance. It's trying to break out. It pops higher. Now, if it stays above it for a couple days, you can pretty much bank that's going to be support. And sure enough, it comes down. It falls all the way down to 117. And now it's headed higher. I don't know if we stay up here, but the 117 strike is money right there. And we went ahead and used this opportunity to do this in the money covered call, for which today, June 2nd, when this all happens, I go ahead and I'm going to buy the 99 Delta. This is going to be a July 99 Delta. And we were able to buy this for literally 5 cents. Do you see it on screen? When we bought this 99 Delta call option, this is a modified poor man's covered call trade for anyone that's new and does not know that I use about a 35-day to 45-day deep in the money call option, which is a 99 Delta. We're going to write deep in the money covered calls, giving us downside protection. When I bought that 99 Delta, I only paid 5 cents to the call seller to essentially control his shares. That's basically 0.1% to essentially control this guy's shares. This is incredible. It's 5 cents. So let's take a look at the trade. All we have to do is make 5 cents and we can get out of this trade. Let's take a look at where it was trading. It was trading at 120.35. So I get to my desk a little bit late. we do not get 117, but we get 120. We do the 120 strike. Now, I said earlier that this was going to be a deep in the money covered call. Well, as I was putting this trade together, we were running some numbers, and I just felt that this is not going to stick. This sell-off where Google is being sold off is rallying at this point. You know, it's showing every indication that it's going to go higher. So what do? We go ahead and use the 120 strike, basically an at the money. See, the only way you can do this, if you're listening, the only way you can do this with a deep in the money call option is if you buy the 99 Delta like I have. And all my members have seen this. They know how to use the 99 Delta to basically simulate stock ownership, basically allowing them to do at the money strikes. If you were to do the poor man's covered call and you bought a 70 Delta, you could not do the trade I just talked about. Why? Because you're going to pay too much money in time value premium in the option. Look, I have an entire masterclass on the poor man's covered call at the membership. You sign up, you get access to that masterclass. You'll learn exactly why you can't use a long-dated leap, a LEAPS call option that is a 70 Delta that all these YouTubers will tell you to buy because it's cheaper. That's why they tell you to use the 70 Delta, because they want to use less and less and less of upfront capital. But the problem is they're paying more to borrow that person's shares. How much did I pay? How much did I pay to borrow this guy's shares? What did I pay? I want you to look at the screen. I paid $50.40. Is that what I paid to borrow his shares? Not at all. That's just the cost between the deep in the money strike that I bought, which was the 70 strike, and the premium that I paid. Well, that turns out to be 5 cents in time value premium. That is your cost. If you did not realize that, if you could not answer that, you need to not do the poor man's covered call. You need to sit on the bench, get your education, watch your videos, then do the poor man's cover. I'll tell you what, I have people that pay me to coach them. They literally have to pay for 2 hours for me to show them the poor man's covered call. It's not something simple and easy. But I'll tell you what, once you get it, you're locked in, you can use it as if you bought the shares. And that's what we did here with GGLL. Let's finish this up. I went with the at the money strike. I got $6.30, got $6,300 in upfront premium profit. Now, take a look at this. Do the math. How much money would I have had to pay had I bought the shares? I'd have to pony up, because I did 10 contracts. This is 10 contracts. I'd have to pony up $120,000 for this trade. $120,000 for this trade. But because we used the 99 Delta, we went ahead and only used $50,300. And look, this is basically a 2-month trade. We understand this, right? We're only going to be able to use this 99 Delta until July 17th. Now, GGLL is a monthly trade. So here's the deal. If I'm not out of this trade at 120, well, I'm going to have to do a July 17th, which I have no problem with because, again, we'll roll the 99 Delta to August. It's not a problem. We're just simulating stock ownership. When you buy the 99 Delta, you're just simulating stock ownership. I own the same risk. I have the same exposure of somebody that owns the shares. And when you understand that, you're able to place this trade with confidence, and you can maneuver this trade as if you own the shares. Of course, when I close this trade, I'm going to have to close both legs of the trade. Whereas if you own the shares, the market maker can take care of everything. But I would absolutely rather put in a little bit more work, use less upfront capital, and be able to do this trade and make more cash on cash percentage gain. Do the math. If I got $6.30 on a $120 investment, let's scroll up. I believe I mentioned that in the update. Take a look at that. You will make 5.3% for the time frame, 2 weeks. I'm making 12.52% just to put in a little extra more time. Hey, look, I'm going to go ahead and end this video right here. I was going to talk about Irene. I was going to talk about DPST. You know what? I'm going to do that for the members. I'm going to put together that members video because we did those trades. We did the GGLL. We did the Irene deep in the money call option, giving us 12% of downside protection, knocking down over 3.3% for 2 weeks. Tell you what, it's a 2-week trade, making 3.3% using Irene. And then the DPST trades. I'll tell you what, let's take a look at DPST's chart real quick, just to give you a flavor as to what we do with the membership. You know, I've been talking about how DPST is trading in this beautiful range since the sell-off from the Iran war. These are the regional banks. This is a 3x leveraged ETF to the regional banks. At the membership, we use indexes, sectors, Mag 7, and basically only a few selected stocks. We do not find ourselves in flimsy investments. These are indexes and sectors. We do not use SoFi and Robinhood and all these things that have absolutely kicked most options traders. Young options traders, I've seen these on Discords and Facebook groups. It's sad because they are literally down 50% on their investment. They don't know what to do. You know, it's easy to get into a trade, but then once you're deep in a trade that has now gone against you, it's sad because they don't know what to do now. At the membership, they see exactly what I do when I find myself in a unfavorable trade. Now, don't get me wrong. I have a couple trades that are sitting on the bench and they're not good. We all have drawdowns. But I'll tell you what, over 80% of my portfolio is churning. We are churning trades. Why? I give myself downside protection. The Irene trade has 12% of downside protection, and all of my DPST trades had at least 10% of downside protection. Now, looking at DPST, this is a beautiful trading range right here. Real quick, we're going to finish this up. There's your gap fill right there. I told the members that we were going to use essentially that strike price. We did put on the 100, the 104, the 105, and now those trades are going to be in the money this Friday. And if it were going to rally and come back, it would fill that gap. And look, it wasn't perfect, but it sure did fill that gap. And look what happens. It rallies off that point, and now it's coming back. Look where it's at now. It's essentially at 107. It's back near that gap fill. I believe this is your support. If I'm going to trade DPST, I feel comfortable doing anything 104 and below. And you can make incredible premiums using DPST. It is a 3x leverage ETF to the regional banks. Love using DPST. Hey, look, I'm going to leave it right there. GGLL fell this morning. I emailed the members 3 emails showing them the gap fill, how it was going to trade, and how I was going to trade it, and ultimately how I traded it. Hey, look, we finished May making $114,000. All we do is sell premium, write covered calls, sell cash secured puts. Members see every single trade. In fact, that turned out to be 51 trades in the month of May. So look, if you're out there, you're indecisive as to what trades to take and how to manage them and all these things, you get to peek over an active, successful, professional trader's shoulder by becoming a member. And the Download Hub has entire video libraries to help you with covered calls, cash secured puts, in the money covered calls, dividend investing, and the poor man's covered call masterclass. And yes, all the tools that you need to find great strike prices, like the expected stock move calculator, and of course, all my poor man's covered call tracker, blended trade tracker, and now the 99 Delta deep in the money call option tracker. So I want you to become a member. Absolutely would love to welcome you aboard. In the description below, get your 1 free month offer. Hey, look, I'm going to leave it right there. Be safe, be healthy, most important, be lucky. Until next time, may all your covered calls be profitable.